Tyler Presloyd, live in Reserve Township, the North Hills. Noticed my roof was kind of going bad, and then after I had some people come look at it, a few different companies, I learned that it wasn't really installed properly when it was done. Started scoping around, found My Pittsburgh Roofing, gave me a good quote. Well, really wasn't looking to get it done until next summer. After hearing the condition of my roof, I figured it wouldn't hurt to get it done before this winter. Fit me in the schedule pretty quick, which was nice. And yeah, I had no issues whenever everybody showed up. I got a heads up, and then they did the whole roof in about a day, and then came back the next day and finished off the gutters. I got a couple other quotes. I liked yours the best. I think it was more so along the lines of what I was looking for as far as warranty and price. Because they did it in the fall, it was kind of dark whenever they were done, so I remember looking out the window and just seeing them with headlights and flashlights walking around the property looking for stuff, so that was kind of nice to see. I mean, I didn't have a lot of questions. I know he came out and looked at it, answered a bunch of my questions right then, just about the roof and everything. Oh yeah, I would recommend My Pittsburgh Roofing to any of my friends and family.